I was reading an interesting newspaper report quoting embattled under-23 coach Donnovan Duckie as saying that he and his assistant coach tried their best to get the players on the Olympic team fit, despite the absence of a specialist physical trainer. But you know, again, it's better Duckie just resign if he may resign and walk away. Go back to coaching and do what he never do yet. Win some titles and build back his fallen stocks as a football coach. Because the more Duckie talks about this under-23 disaster, is the worse it looks. I mean, if me, the Maverick, get this team for 8 months, me would have get them fit. This thing about not having a specialized physical trainer so players cannot get fit is a joke. Physical fitness is the starting point in football. No coach who is worth his salt supposed to have team for 6 or 8 months and the team not fit. What them do at daytime then? Play scrimmage every day. Coach Duckie, let me tell you this. Football is a results business. It's not a talking business. You are into coaching, which is a results business. You need to get results. Leave the talking to the Maverick. That's not my business. Let me demonstrate to you, Duckie. You see, you as the coach, see your thing here. Me, the Maverick, no. Me do all the talking. Me can yap, 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 yap.